Welcome to today's English listening practice story. This is a Level 3 English story called The Letter My Mother Hid. Vocabulary Preview. Before we begin today's story, here are a few words you will hear. Abandoned, left behind, deserted. Hidden, kept secret, out of sight. Custody, legal right to care for a child. Reunited, brought back together after separation. Forgiveness, letting go of anger toward someone. Now that you know the key words, let's begin our story. My name is Sarah. I am 28 years old. For most of my life, I believed my father abandoned me. I believed he never loved me. I believed he never looked back. I was wrong. When I was 3 years old, my father left. One day he was there, the next day he was gone. I have no memories of him, only an empty space where a father should be. Growing up, I asked about him. My mother said, "He didn't want us, don't ask again." So I stopped asking. My mother raised me alone. She gave me everything, except answers. I grew up angry at the man who left me, the father I thought didn't care. Last month, my mother died. Cancer. I took care of her until the end. After the funeral, I cleaned her house. Every room held painful memories. I started in her bedroom. I opened her closet. Then I saw it. A wooden box on the top shelf, hidden behind old blankets. I pulled it down. It was heavy, locked. I found the key in her jewelry box. My hands shook as I unlocked it. Inside were letters, dozens of letters, all addressed to me. My heart stopped. The first one was postmarked 25 years ago, when I was 3 years old. The return address said Michael Carter, my father's name. I opened it with trembling hands. My dearest Sarah, you are 3 years old today. I hope you are happy. I tried to call. Your mother won't let me speak to you. I tried to visit. She threatened to call the police. So I write this letter. I love you. I never wanted to leave. Your mother and I separated, but I never wanted to leave you. I will never stop trying. Love, Papa. Tears poured down my face. I opened another letter, and another. Sarah, you are 16. Are you driving now? Are boys calling the house? I wish I could protect you. The last letter was from 2 years ago. Sarah, you are 26 now. I am getting old. I don't know how much time I have left. I still write these letters, even though you never respond. Your mother must be hiding them. I understand. But please know this, I never abandoned you. I tried so hard. I went to court. Your mother fought me. I had no money for lawyers, so I wrote letters. I hoped one day you would find them. I love you, my daughter. I never stopped. Love, Papa. I collapsed on the floor crying. My mother lied for 25 years. He never abandoned me. She kept his letters. She hid them. She let me grow up believing I was unwanted. But I also felt hope. My father was still out there, maybe. I searched for him online. I found him on social media. Michael Carter, living in Seattle, working as a carpenter. His profile picture showed an older man, gray hair, kind eyes, tired smile. I stared at that photo for a long time. That was my father, the man I never knew. I sent him a message. Hello, my name is Sarah Carter. I think you are my father. I just found your letters, all of them. I never knew you tried to reach me. I'm sorry. Can we talk? 3 hours later, my phone rang. I answered. Hello? A man's voice, shaking, crying. Sarah, is this really you? I started crying too. Yes, it's me. He said, I've been waiting for this call for 25 years. We talked for 3 hours. He told me everything. They divorced when I was 3. He wanted custody. She fought him in court. She lied, said he was dangerous. He lost everything. So he wrote letters, every month, for 25 years. He sent them to my mother's address. He hoped one day I would see them. He said, "I never stopped loving you, Sarah, even when you never wrote back. I never stopped." I cried. "I never hated you. I didn't know." She hid everything. 2 weeks later, I flew to Seattle. When I saw him at the coffee shop, we hugged. After 25 years, I hugged my father. He said, "You look just like your grandmother. She would have loved you." We talked for hours about everything, about my childhood, my life, his life, the years we lost. He showed me photos he kept of baby me. I carried these everywhere. I showed him my graduation, my life. He said, "I'm so proud of you," he cried. Today, I visit him every month. We talk on the phone every week. We are building the relationship we should have had. My mother stole 25 years from us, but my father said, "We can't get those years back. We have now. Let's not waste it." He was right. I lost 25 years with my father, but I found him before it was too late. If you have questions about your family, ask them. If you feel something is wrong, investigate. Don't let lies steal your life. I almost lost my father forever. Don't let that happen to you. What would you do if you found hidden letters like this? Tell me in the comments below. Thank you for listening to this story. If you liked it, please like the video, share it, and subscribe to the Story Reading in English channel. Your support helps more stories reach people like you. With every story, our English gets better, and our hearts get stronger.